So now we are going to discuss in detail about the interrupt structure of Intel 8085. So Intel 8085 has basically three categories of interrupt, namely hardware and software interrupts, vectored and non-vectored interrupts, and third one is a maskable and non-maskable interrupts. Basically, hardware and software interrupt means the hardware interrupts are those interrupts which are available in the pin diagram of Intel 8085. Whereas the software interrupts are all those interrupts that are given as given in the instruction set, or those are given as programs. They are termed as the software interrupts. Again, vectored and non-vectored. Some interrupts have their own interrupt call location. Those interrupts are called as vectored interrupts, and those who doesn't have interrupt call location of its own is known as the non-vectored interrupts. And again, some interrupts can be masked and others cannot be masked. Interrupts that can be masked are called as maskable interrupts, and interrupts that cannot be masked are called as non-maskable interrupts. The following figure shows the interrupt structure of Intel 8085. From here we can already observe trap, RST 7.5, 6.5, 5.5 and INTR. And along with INTR we have the RST N series also shown towards the right bottom of the figure. In the right bottom of this figure, the vector code locations of all the interrupts are being shown here. As we can see from the figure, most of the interrupts are having their own vector code locations, and the RST N series of instructions also have their own vector code locations. So, as you already said, the first category of interrupt is the hardware and software interrupts. So, as we know, the hardware interrupts are all those interrupts that are available in the pin diagram of Intel 8085. We have basically 5 hardware interrupts, namely trap, RST 7.5, 6.5, 5.5 and INTR. Here trap is the highest priority interrupt, so it should be having the most priority. That means if 5 interrupts are coming together, the content of the program counter will be shifted to that point represented by trap. So basically first the highest interrupt service subroutine corresponding to trap will be executed, then the one corresponding to RST 7.5, then the one corresponding to RST 6.5 and so on. That will be the mode of execution in Intel 8085. Again, software interrupt. So basically those interrupt signals that are given as program signals are termed as the software interrupts. So we have 8 software interrupts in Intel 8085 named as the RST N series, and the RST N series ranges from RST 0 to RST 7, that is RST 0, RST 1, RST 2, RST 3, RST 4, RST 5 and RST 6 and RST 7, and based on the interrupt signal required, any one of these can be given to the corresponding interrupt. Basically these software interrupts are basically associated with INTR interrupt. So basically when an external device need to transfer data from the peripheral to the MUPI, these interrupts are basically sent to the microprocessor in order to make the buses free for the operation. Next one is a maskable and non-maskable interrupt. Basically those interrupts that can be ignored or that can be masked are known as the maskable interrupt. We have 4 hardware maskable interrupts for Intel 8085, namely RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5 and INTR. These 4 will be the maskable interrupts. That means those interrupts that can be covered up. And next set will be the non-maskable interrupt. That means those interrupts that cannot be covered up are called as an NMI or the non-maskable interrupt. Intel 8085 has only one non-maskable interrupt. It is the highest priority hardware interrupt of Intel 8085. So basically trap will be the non-maskable or the NMI of Intel 8085. And next one, vectored and non-vectored interrupts. All those interrupts that have a call location of its own is termed as a vectored interrupt, and those doesn't have an interrupt call location of its own is known as the non-vectored interrupt. Again, a trap, RST 7.5, 6.5, 5.5 all have an interrupt call location of its own, hence these are called as a vectored interrupt, whereas INTR doesn't have an interrupt call location. Its interrupt call location is generated by the aid of RST N series. So basically it's a non-vectored interrupt. So the basic classification of Intel 8085.